In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at creating an answer file by using the Windows Image System Manager. Now, this comes as part of the automated installation toolkit. Now, just think about all the times that you've installed the Windows operating system and think of all the things that you've had to type in as part of that installation. Now, think about actually deploying a couple of hundred of these Windows 7 clients and think about how much you would have to enter into the installation every time you installed one of these machines. So it would be so much easier if we could provide an answer file that would take all of the information that we've provided as part of that answer file and inject it into the installation in Windows 7. And that's really what this quick little demo is going to be about. So we'll just come down to Start All Programs. Already installed the Windows Automated Installation Toolkit, and we're going to go for the Windows System Image Manager. Now, the Automated Installation Toolkit can be downloaded from Microsoft, so we'll launch this up. Right, so the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to open a catalog that we created earlier, and a catalog is just a binary file that contains the state of the settings and packages in a Windows image. So I've already got one. So all we'll do here is we'll just right click, we'll select our Windows image, we'll open up our Windows 7 Enterprise catalog, which I created earlier. Click open, and what we can see within this catalog here, which is all the binaries, we can see all of the components that go to actually make up a Windows 7 installation. So we'll scroll this down a little bit. As you can see, loads of information within there. We'll also have a look at the packages, and as we can see, we can add in quite a few packages as well. Now, the way the answer file works is as we're doing an installation, it does multiple passes. So if we just actually have a look at the Windows setup, because that's what we're going to use this for, so we scroll up a little bit, what we can see here is we've got our Windows setup. And if we have a look at this, we can see that we can't actually add anything at this point here, but if we have a look across here, what we can see is we can see some relevant information. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use this catalog to create a new answer file. So I'll just click on File, we'll create a new answer file, and that now gives me the components of my answer file. So now if I have a look at the Windows setup and just expand this up a little bit, if we have a look, one of the things that you would be expected to do as part of an installation in Windows 7 would be to answer or insert a product key. So that's going to be part of the user data, and if we expand this up here, we can see product key within here. Now, if I right click at this point here, I can add this setting to pass 1. Now, the thing is that when you install the Windows operating system, this is something we would usually add as part of the installation to actually specialize that installation. So as you can see, we can't actually add it at this point here. So what we're going to do for the product key, we're just going to come down to shell setup. So this is where the user would be typing in information. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to add this to pass 4. And what we can see here is we can fill out quite a bit of information. Now, the thing we're concerned about here is, just as a quick little demo, is just entering something like a product key. So I'll enter in the product key. So we've done that now, so that's all done. So what we could do at this point here is we could close the answer file, and one of the things we could do here is actually save this off. I won't at this point here, I'll just cancel it. All I'm trying to get at with this demo here is, as you can see, we've got hundreds and hundreds of bits of information we can add in. And if you've done an installation in Windows 7, you'll know there's quite a bit of information we can add as part of the installation. So this Windows System Image Manager tool allows me to create an answer file that I can then associate with an installation. And that's the end of this very quick demonstration of a brief overview of the Windows System Image Manager. I would highly recommend that you go out and have a look at this product. It does make installation so much easier. Thank you. Bye.